Hi, I'm Kiran Kumar from Nature of Physics. Today, the question of trajectory of a particle is y is equal 10x minus 5 by 9 x square if g is equal 10 meter per second square given. In this question, asking angle of projection, initial velocity, range and also maximum height and time of flight. Student, see, already written there. This equation y is equal to ax minus bx square is the path of the projectile is a parabola. By comparing the both equation, a is equal 10 and b is equal 5 by 9. See student, now tan theta is equal to a, we are getting see tan theta which is equal to a, tan theta is equal to a because of a is equal tan theta. So theta is equal tan inverse of a. Student, see, theta is equal tan inverse of a value how much given in the question? 10. So this is the first answer. Next, initial velocity u is equal root over g into 1 plus a square divided by 2b. Okay, this is the formula. Student, here we can show LHS is equal to RHS by replacing the value a is equal tan theta, b is equal g divided by 2 u square cos square. Student, okay, now u which is equal to root over g value 10 taken 1 plus a value 10 square divided by g 10 and a value already given 10 divided by 2 into b value, that is 5 divided by 9. See student, this is 10 and this is 10 get cancel, so that u is equal, we are getting root over, that is 9 into 1 plus 100. Okay, so that u is approximately, I can write student, this is 3 and 3 square root of get cancel. There 100 is approx 101, approximately writing 10. Students, so u we are getting approximately 30 meter per second. And next, horizontal range which is equal to a by b. Student, we can show that LHS is equal to RHS. So here horizontal range r is equal to a value is 10, b value is 5 by 9, so that this is 2 times get cancelled, so that I am getting range is equal to 18 meters. Okay student, and continuation maximum height also I am finding, h is equal to a square divided by 4b, so that h which is equal to a square is 10 square, see comparison, divided by 4 into b value by comparison 5 divided by 9. Okay, h which is equal to 100 divided by 20 divided by 9, 4 5 are, so this is 5. Student, so h is equal to 45 meter. Student, maximum height we got. Okay, and next continuation, there is a time of flight. For time of flight, there is a one formula, t is equal root over 2 a square by bg. Student, we can show LHS is equal to RHS by replacing the value a is equal tan theta, b is equal g by 2 u square cos square theta, so that it is root over 2 into 10 square, a value is 10, okay, b value is equal to 5 by 9, so b replacing 5 by 9 into g value is 10. Okay, so that this is 5 student. Okay, t we are getting like this, this is 10 square into this is 3 square, 9 is written as 3 square, this is 5 into 5 square. Student, so t which is equal to 10 into 3 divided by 5, so I am getting here this is t which is equal to once 2 times. Student, that is 6 seconds. 6 seconds is the answer. Hope you understood. Thank you.